Conversation on the road. Hello, Mark. Where are you going?
I'm going to Kanombe Airport. Can you take me there?
Yes, indeed.
Where's the road to the airport?
There it is, among the houses.
How far is it from here to Kanombe?
It's 12 kilometers.
How long does it take to arrive there?
It takes about 25 minutes by bus.
How much am I going to pay by car?
You are going to pay 10,000 francs only.
Anyway, it isn't too expensive, but I will pay 80,000.
Accept that. There is no problem. Get in the car.
So, try to be quick. I don't want to waste the time.
Yes, but dear sir, where do you want to go?
I want to go to South Africa tomorrow. That's why I must buy a ticket this evening.
How much is the return ticket?
I don't know.
Perhaps it's $1,000. Wait a moment. I'm going to ask. Will you show me the booking office?
Yes, please. It is very easy. I'm here to guide you.
I'm going to take you there.
And I'm going to show you every place.
All right, that's very kind.
Boss, how many days are you going to spend in South Africa? When will you be back?
I will be back after 4 days only. I'm a businessman and I cannot stay there for a long time because of my work.
It is understandable. Well planned.
Now, I think that we are near the booking office. You can go and ask for the information about your trip.
Thank you. Wait for me here.
I am not going to be so long. You are welcome.